everyone! Welcome to our English lesson. Today, we're going to learn about adjectives. Adjectives are important because they help us describe things. Let's dive in! Section 1. What is an adjective? First, let's answer the question, what is an adjective? Example, those as in those flowers. Last one, possessive adjectives. These adjectives show ownership. For example, my as in my dog. Another example, her as in her bag. Section 3, placement of adjectives. Now, let's talk about where to place adjectives in a sentence. Adjectives usually come before the noun they describe. For example, the blue sky. Here, sky is the noun. Another example, a delicious cake. Sometimes, adjectives can also come after a verb. For example, the sky is blue. Another one, the cake looks delicious. Section 4. Comparing adjectives. Adjectives can also be used to compare things. We use comparative and superlative forms for this. First one, comparative adjectives. These adjectives compare two things. We usually add er or use more. For example, taller as in, John is taller than Mike. Another example, more beautiful as in, this flower is more beautiful than that one. Second one, superlative adjectives. These adjectives show the highest degree. We often add est or use most, for example, tallest as in, Eric is the tallest in the class. Another example, most beautiful as in, this is the most beautiful place I've seen. Section 5. Practice examples. Let's practice. I'll say a noun and you think of an adjective for it. First one, dog. What adjective can you use? You can use friendly, a friendly dog. Second one, house. What adjective can you use? You can use big, a big house. Great job, everyone! Today we learned what adjectives are, the different types, how to use them, and we practiced together. Remember, adjectives help us make our sentences more interesting and descriptive. Keep practicing, and you'll get even better. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more English lessons. See you next time!